In this activity, we're going to be looking at a worksheet, and I have the trial balance already constructed as a part of the worksheet. These numbers and accounts were taken from a previous activity from the night zone, and we see the income statement and the balance sheet from a previous activity of the night zone. Going back to the worksheet, we're going to leave the adjustment columns now. We'll talk about that in next activity. But we're going to look at the income statement and the balance sheet. Now this is the easy part. Balance sheet items go under the balance sheet column. Income statement items go on the income statement column. And the debits and credits stay the same. So all I'm going to do is copy and paste the balance sheet items and copy and paste the credit balance sheet items as well. We also have drawings. Now we know drawings should go on the balance sheet, alright, because that's where we pulled it from before. Now we also need to make sure that we have our income statement items, which is our one revenue and in this case one expense. You'll have more later on. So we need to figure out our net income, and what I'm going to do is just use this highlight, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to format cells to give a single line. Pick single line on the bottom, and remember single line indicates subtraction or addition. So I forgot that cell as well. We'll do that just to make sure, and there we have it. Obviously this is $50. This is $450. The difference between the two, we want to make these two columns balance so that both of these equal, well in this case, $450. The reason we're doing that is because this is our net income. This $450 is our net income. And now we need to write 450 as it balances, and we're going to give that a double underline. And again, I'll right click, go to Format Cells, and I'll choose the double underline to format. That indicates that we're accurate and it is complete. Now the difficult part about this is we need to add all of these cells up. So what we're going to do is use a formula. We're going to use @sum, put everything inside the brackets. I'll drag down, put an end bracket, and I'll do that with this cell, but it's easy, or easier, as I can just copy that cell. Now I have a difference, but I haven't indicated that there is a net income. Net income increases owner's equity, so it's a debit over here. The rule is to credit it over here. And some students find that difficult, but we have to remember net income, as we look at the income statement, there is a net income, and a net income increases owner's equity. So we need to credit that. Again, we'll put two single underlines here. Right there. Of course, this is 3150. And this is 3150, as it does add up. I don't need the formula to do that. I could put one in if I would like. And to finish it off, let's format those cells